the camera that shoots 177 megapixels, LUMIX S1RII broke the rules.
Ever felt like your camera's fighting you mid-shoot, blurring that perfect wildlife dash or fumbling focus on a fleeting portrait? It's exhausting, right? Like chasing dreams through a foggy lens. If you're nodding along, you're not alone in this creative tug-of-war. Drop a comment with your biggest gear gripe. Let's commiserate. The LUMIX S1RII full-frame mirrorless? It flips the script, turning frustration into flow. Ever wondered why this hybrid powerhouse changes everything for stuck creators?
Picture this. Deadlines looming like storm clouds, stress spiking as your shots miss the mark, and burnout creeping in from endless tweaks. It's the silent killer of passion projects, wildlife bursts that lag, video clips that lose detail in the shadows. Ouch! But imagine reclaiming control without piling on more chaos. Just pure, seamless precision. If you're battling that edge-of-burnout haze, this could shift your game. What's your latest shoot stressor? Spill in the comments.
Enter the LUMIX S1RII, the full-frame mirrorless camera that's not just a tool, it's your creative rebellion against mediocre moments. With its groundbreaking 44.3 megapixel sensor, every landscape blooms with lifelike color science, pulling you into the scene like a vivid dream. Handheld high-res mode, it weaves 177 megapixel masterpieces from the ether, no tripod tyranny required. Then there's the Phase Hybrid AF, turbocharged by advanced AI for human detection that sticks like glue, even when crowds collide in chaotic street shoots. Feel the rush. 40 FPS burst shooting nails sports sprints or elusive birds without a hitch, while 8K video recording unleashes cinematic slow-mo with wide dynamic range, shadows whispering secrets, and highlights singing bright. One wildlife pro nailed it mid-safari. Her lens locked on a leaping cheetah, frames frozen in glory, no blur in sight. "It saved my deadline," she laughed. And that LUMIX Camera Flow app? It streamlines production with false color aids, letting you focus on the magic, not the mess. Here's a teaser reward. Toggle real-time LUTs in camera for instant mood shifts that feel intuitively right. Keep eyes peeled for the bonus AI trick at the end. It'll make dynamic tracking your unfair advantage. If gear glitches have you second-guessing, this hybrid's robust build and 9-stop stabilization whisper, "I've got you." Sensory thrill meets pro-grade power. Why settle for less when LUMIX S1RII ignites your intuition?
Now lean in. The LUMIX S1RII doesn't just capture, it elevates your entire rhythm, slashing edit hours with efficiency that feels like cheating. That 44.3 MP full-frame sensor delivers focus so razor-sharp your portraits pulse with emotional depth, while 8K video's wide dynamic range keeps every highlight and shadow storytelling alive. No compromises in the grade. Imagine handheld low-light wonders, body IS steady as a heartbeat, freeing you to chase sunsets or vlog verve without shaky regrets. Performance? It's a workflow whisperer, blending Japanese innovation with never-ending edge. Robust magnesium alloy shrugs off splashes, dual card slots banish data dread. Thousands rave. A tech influencer gushed, "The Phase Hybrid AF tracks eyes like it's reading minds. My keeper rate skyrocketed. No more almost shots." Wedding shooters echo, "Clean high ISO files turned chaotic ceremonies into heirloom gold." 8K moments? Pure workflow wizardry. Even analysts nod. It's the hybrid contender pros bet on, bridging photo-video gaps without the bulk. One landscape artist shared her mini-epic. Trekking misty peaks, high-res mode birthed the 177 MP print that hung gallery-ready, evoking that crisp mountain air in every pixel. Lightly controversial? Old school kits feel clunky now. Why lug separates when this all-in-one hums? Which LUMIX S1RII feature would rescue your wildest day? Comment below. Let's swap stories. See the buzz? It's not hype. It's the quiet revolution creators crave, blending narrative nuance with subtle thrills that hook your senses.
Urgency alert. LUMIX S1RII stocks vanishing fast. Join the wave of thousands who've leveled up their hybrid shoots, from wildlife whispers to 8K epics. This full-frame mirrorless changed my game overnight, one videographer beamed, ditching dual rigs for seamless flow. If autofocus fumbles or resolution regrets haunt you, this 44.3 MP beast with AI precision may rewrite your rules. Comment yes to snag the exclusive in-app LUT tip. Don't just dream. Grab yours now, unlock that secret stabilization hack, and transform your captures before it's gone. Jump in. Your next masterpiece awaits.